Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. In this video we'll discuss about how much is it gonna cost me to do masters in UK. So I'm going for MSc in data science and I've chosen Newcastle University. So if you want to know why I chose Newcastle University, I have actually made a video and you can see it here. I will leave a card. So yeah, you can see in that video. But before moving further, I would like to make few things clear that whatever amount which I'm gonna discuss in this video, they are estimated amount based on my research on internet and after talking to people. Of course, the university fee I have got from the university page and it is not going to change for me, but living expense and rent, it will vary from place to place, and also as of now I haven't booked my accommodation, so I will book my accommodation and based on that I will have final rent for me. So yeah, these are the things which I wanted to make clear before starting this video. And also I will quote all the expense in pounds and at the end we'll convert it to Indian rupee as well. But at the time of recording this video, 101.48 Indian rupees is equal to 1 pound. So it may vary when you are watching this video. So yeah, based on that you can do your own conversion. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. But as always, before moving further, if you are new here or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. And if you have anything specific, you can always ask me in the comment section. I will try to help you to the best of my knowledge. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. So the first thing is university fees. So the university fees is 23,400 pounds. I have actually noted down all the numbers because there will be so many numbers I'll be discussing in this video. So I'll keep looking onto this list. So yeah, university fees is 23,400 pounds, and I actually got 4,000 pounds scholarship as well. So yeah, it reduces my fees. And if we talk about living expense, it totally depends on you, how you like to stay or what type of luxuries you want. So if you can manage in a minimal living, so you can manage in around 300 to 400 pounds per month. I'm talking about Newcastle. It will vary from places to places, and Newcastle is one of the cheapest cities in UK. So yeah, if you are going to London, the same room which will cost you 300 to 400 pounds in Newcastle, it will easily cost you above 600 pounds in London. So from that you can get an idea, and London is the costliest place in UK. That is what. So if we see how much it will cost me in a year, so if I spend 300 pounds per month, it will cost me somewhere around 3600 per year. Or if we spend somewhere around 400, it will cost me somewhere around 4800 pounds for a year. So that is the thing. We'll sum up everything at the end, but first let me tell you all the costs. And now if we talk about other living expenses like traveling cost or your mobile bill, all those things, and your food, it will cost somewhere around 200 to 300 pounds per month. So it will cost you somewhere around 2400 to 3600 per year. In pounds, of course. So that is the thing, and it depends on your living style. I have noted down this living expense based on my preferences because I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't really like to go out for parties and all. I don't eat non-veg, so based on that I have quoted these numbers. So if you are into all those things, probably your cost will go even higher. So yeah, that is the thing. And if we convert it to Indian rupees, okay, first let's sum up everything and then we will convert it to Indian rupees. So yeah, 23,400 will be the tuition fees, and 3600 will be my rent, and 2400 will be my other living expenses, and if I subtract 4000 from that, which is my scholarship, it will cost me somewhere around 25,400 pounds for overall course. And if you convert it to Indian rupees, it will cost me somewhere around 25,77,000. So this is the minimum cost that I will have to bear. And if I talk about maximum of cost for me, for you it might go even higher based on your living expense. So again, tuition fee is 23,400 pounds, living expense or the rent I should say 4,800, and other living expenses 3,600, and if we subtract 4,000 scholarship, it will be 27,800, and if you convert it to Indian rupees, it will be 28,22,000 Indian rupees. So yeah, that is what it is gonna cost me. So 25.5 lakhs to 28 lakhs it will cost me. So that is the thing. Now we'll discuss a little bit about visa cost and health surcharge and your flight fares. So for visa, you will have to pay 348 pounds, which is 35,350 Indian rupees, and 470 pounds for your health surcharge, which translates to 47,700 Indian rupees. And so the total for visa, it will cost you somewhere around 83,000 rupees. And if we add more 30 to 60,000 flight fares, so yeah, you can sum up all these things and you will get the amount how much you will spend even before going to UK. So yeah, these were the costs that I wanted to discuss in this video, and I hope you found this helpful. And of course, like I told you, if you go to London, it will be really costly, and even universities are costly there, but there are many cheap universities. Again, I have discussed about some affordable universities in UK which are good for MSc in data science. If you want to see that video, again I'll leave a card here, you can check out that video as well. And living expense is really high in London, and I had offer from university in London as well, but just because of living expenses I decided not to go to London. And I have actually discussed all these things in that video which I told earlier, and as I told you, Newcastle is a relatively cheaper place as compared to other cities in UK, so it will bring down some of the costs. Of course, university fee won't come down, but I can save some amount on my living expense. So that is the thing. And if we talk about loan, I am taking loan of 25 lakhs. So there will be some amount that I will have to arrange from myself. So maybe I'll do part-time job, from that I can get that money. And if I'm not able to get part-time job, probably I will have to ask my parents for that money. So yeah, that is the thing what I wanted to discuss in this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. But before ending this video, if you want to download data science notes, you can download data science notes, link is in the description. And if you want to join our Telegram group, you can join our Telegram group. There we discuss about multiple things, and people are very helpful there. Everybody is trying to help each other and grow together, so you can join our Telegram group as well. So yeah, let's end this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment, all those good things, and it's free and it keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. So yeah, and also you can always let me know in the comment section whatever you want to know. I'll be more than happy to help you. So yeah, bye, happy learning.